Hey YouTube, what do we have here? We have 2 feet with aloe socks. Haha. But what we're here to see is, I ordered this online at BJ's, and I went today to pick it up. Today is December 5th, I believe. If that's not correct, I will put it somewhere on the screen. And so I did open the box, but I'm going to need to cut out me taking it out of the box, because I only have 2 hands and I'm holding my phone with 1 hand. So this is what was in the box, of course, the instructions and other information, setup instructions. I'll be doing that probably tomorrow because I am sleep deprived and exhausted today unless I get a burst of energy. Another paper, information, of course, as every computer, laptop should, comes with a charger. And this here is the laptop. I haven't had an HP. Actually, my desktop is an HP. I was about to say I haven't had one in a while, but my desktop is actually an HP. My laptop that is literally falling apart is an Asus. And I only paid like $220 for it, and I had it for about 3 years. And so I'm not making a big deal out of it falling apart because it was very inexpensive. So I'm going to edit out me opening this plastic. Or not. Let me see. Ah, look at that there. I do prefer laptops with smaller screens because they're lighter to carry. And I do take a laptop with me, like weekend trips and things like that. But they seem to keep making them bigger and bigger. I will put the specs to this one in the link in the description bar below. And so this is my first time opening this, and I'm hoping I can do it with 1 hand. Yes. Okay. So this is what it looks like. And there's my knees and my hands, me being silly. And so we'll see, hopefully this will work fine. And I won't have any issues setting it up and getting programs on here that I want on here. And I'm excited to see what editing program is on here for my videos. And so that is it for this video. Another one, short, simple, quick, easy for Vlogmas. And you guys will see my face in the next video. Thanks.